How to effortlessly search words and phrases on your iPad. How to call out the Find tool with a keyboard. Open your document or web page. On your external keyboard, press the Command key and the F key at the same time. This will open up the Find tool on your screen. Enter the word or phrase you want to find in the search box. Your iPad will highlight all instances of the word or phrase you typed, making it easy to spot them in your document or web page. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. How to search in the Pages app. Open the document you want to search through in the Pages app. Tap the three dots icon in the top right corner to open the menu. Choose Find. Type the word or phrase you're looking for and use the arrows to move through the search. Tap anywhere on the document to close. How to search in Microsoft Word. Open your document in the Microsoft Word app. Tap on the magnifying glass icon, which is the Find tool. Type the word or phrase you're looking for and use the arrows next to the search box to go through all the places where your word or phrase appears. Tap anywhere on the document to close the Find tool. How to search in Google Docs. Open the Google Docs and select the document. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Choose Find and Replace. Type the word or phrase you're looking for. Use the arrows to move through the search results. Tap the X on the left side of the search box to exit. How to search PDF in the Files app. Open your PDF document in the Files app. Tap the magnifying glass icon at your screen's top right. Type the word or phrase you're looking for and use the arrows to navigate the search results. To exit the search, tap Done. How to search PDF in the Books app. Open your PDF document in the Books app. Select the magnifying glass icon and type in the word or phrase to search for. Tap on the word or phrase to highlight it throughout the document. The Find tool will close automatically after highlighting your search terms. How to search on a web page. When you're on the web page where you want to find something, tap the address bar. Enter the word or phrase you're looking for and scroll to the bottom of the search suggestions. Tap on Find to see your search term. The search term will be highlighted on the page. Use the arrows to jump to each place where your term appears. When you're done, tap Done. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.